Well, the trial of the accused City Grill shooter is set to begin tomorrow in a downtown Buffalo courtroom. The rest of the jury was seated earlier today. News 4's Lori Schultz has a look ahead to what's next now.
Well, the most important evidence in any case is who saw what, and that'll definitely be explored in this high-profile murder case. Earlier this afternoon, we spoke to News 4 analyst Terry Connors, who offered this insight.
Bullets have fingerprints. They have their own striations or marks on them.
4 people were shot to death, 4 others wounded in the August City Grill shooting that shocked the Western New York community. On the eve of opening arguments in the first-degree murder trial of Ricardo McCray, prosecutors still don't have the weapon, meaning forensic evidence will likely be used to detail the alleged path of bullets.
I'm sure they've recovered shell casings, and they'll match those up. And I'm sure if autopsies were performed, which are always done, they've retrieved the actual bullets themselves.
Aside from his attorney, Joseph Terranova, the defendant spoke to no one in open court as day 3 of jury selection continued. At one point, prosecutor James Barnese told potential jurors what they could expect during the trial. Pictures of blood, talk of blood. He screened closely an engineer saying by the end of the trial, "We'll feel like we all swam in mud. Are you okay with that?" The potential juror answered yes. News 4 analyst Terry Connors says this case won't be cut and dry.
If the forensic evidence supports more than one shooter, that will become a very important bone of contention for the entire trial.
An interesting moment came when one potential juror said he taught McCray in school, as well as several prosecution witnesses. McCray's attorney asked, if jurors asked, what was Ricardo McCray like in 9th grade? The teacher answered, it's not relevant. In the end, he was not selected as an alternate, but 3 others were, completing this panel of all-white jurors.
I think the days of stereotypes for jurors have long gone by. I don't think they hold up anymore.
McCray faces a 50-year-to-life state prison term if convicted. Opening arguments get underway at 10 tomorrow morning. The credibility of witnesses is expected to be a central issue in this case. More on that coming up at 6. Live, Lori Schultz, News 4.
Thank you, Lori.